iPhone. Louis Vuitton case. That's real Louis Vuitton for you bitches. Louis Vuitton on the screen. Look at some of my gangsta ass ringtones. First of all, and this one scared the shit out of people in the movie theater. Oh, I had to have this shit. It's the end of the Boondocks, bitch. Then this shit right here. Keep in mind these ringtones. Fuck else I got on here? Seen a Lamborghini in the street yesterday. Got a picture of this sexy ass thing. Louis Vuitton background. Video record. Bullshit ass 5 seconds though. Tired of that shit. What else I got on this one? Pep rally band. Shout out to my nigga Quentin and Javon. Bitch! See if I can find a Lamborghini. There you go. Sexy ass thing. But anyways, just letting y'all punk ass to see my shit. My Louis V real gangster. Bitch.